Our solution, Recharged, is a mobile-based sharing platform for residential and commercial charging stations.
So the app essentially allows charging station owners to rent out their pre-existing asset, and this increases the availability and accessibility of EV chargers.
The app also enables corporately owned and public charging stations to be listed and rented, hence increasing electric vehicle uptake as drivers can be assured that they can easily charge their car whenever needed.
When we talk with our friends and families, it was frustrating to see them losing their jobs, their incomes.
That's why we built an intelligent crowd managing mobile app to decrease establishments' closing rate and also to manage in an effective way how people go and visit public spaces by following secure protocols. Kairos lets users do a lot of things. It lets them make reservations, know the store's capacity at a specific time, and shows predictions of how many people are going to be in the establishment at a certain hour.
When the lockdown commenced in the UK, shops were inundated with people, bulk buying food and supplies. This led to shortages as some people had to go without and food banks ran critically low. Despite these shortages, businesses such as cafes and restaurants and hotels had an abundance of supplies. The problem was that they had no way of getting these supplies out to the people that needed them.
We envisioned a solution that could allow small enterprises to monitor and trade their stocks and supplies with members of the public and other businesses, and it would also allow them to donate locally to charities and food banks.
We were a bunch of students who eagerly wanted to go back to university but were really worried for our safety.
We decongest campuses by providing COVID-safe recommendations to locations on campus.
Our solution, Pandemap, aims to allow campus buildings, cafes, other socially gathering places to reopen while also maintaining social distancing regulations.
After implementing our solution at Berkeley, we hope to implement it at different universities and institutions.
We wanted to respond to the carbon emissions associated with the transportation and distributions of food. We also wanted to limit the carbon footprint associated with processed foods that are packaged in plastic.
With PlantIt, you can collaborate and team up with your friends, your family, and get a little bit competitive as it relates to growing your food, hitting targets, and just having fun. This is a movement. Zero waste, zero plastic, food security, self-sustenance. These are so many social values that are incorporated in our vision for PlantIt, and we just want to take over the world, showing people that growing your own food is fulfilling, it's affordable, and it's entirely possible.